वीडियो बन जाएगा, बनाना चाहिए.
This is a Sarnath stoop, and that everyone knows what is a stupa. If if some of the listeners may not know about this place and not to know about the stupa, I may tell them that stupa is a place where relics to the saint to related to the saint of Buddhism may preserve there for as a monument for worship. So this is the place. This is the whole scene of the monument. This is the place. Look at this. And the most importantly, the place, the pathway that leads to the monastery to stupa is known as Pathagoras. This is the Pathagora.